Now Ravi, tell me the difference between polymorphism and inheritance. Absolutely sir. Polymorphism allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of same superclass. While inheritance, good. Now let's move on to the coding problem. Let's say you have an array of integers and you want to calculate second largest element of an array. How would you approach this problem? I think I would... Okay, Ravi, take your time. I know, sir. You know what, Ravi? We should move on to the next problem. Hey there amazing viewers, I just wanted to take a moment and express my heartfelt gratitude for the overwhelming response to our previous YouTube series, that is building an e-commerce website in Django. Your enthusiasm and support truly meant the world to me. Reading your comments, seeing your likes and shares, it's just incredibly motivating. Thank you for being in such an awesome community and joining me on this coding journey. The reason behind creating this series is that many people find it difficult to solve coding problems despite of having full theoretical knowledge. They find it hard to grasp the logic, missing out the factor of the intuition that drives the logical thinking. I am here to bridge that gap and explain you the most basic yet essential coding problems. Let's dive into it together. This series is perfect for those who have learned programming languages and now want to apply them into real-world problems. Anyone looking to develop strong logic building skills, beginners who are just starting out on the competitive coding journey, individuals gearing up for the placement season need to brush up on their coding concepts. Before you start watching, have your pen and paper ready. Try solving the problem by your own. First, it's not just about watching, it's about actively engaging into truly grasp coding concepts. Okay, now let's get set up for coding. Here's what you need. Install Visual Studio Code IDE on any machine that you are using. You can also use your favorite IDE. Windows users should get their main GW software, which provides C++ compiler. The installations video guides are down in the description, do check them out. Don't forget to add the competitive programming helper CPH into your Visual Studio Code IDE. It will come handy for executing problems. With these essentials, you are ready to jump into coding world. Before we wrap up, I want to give a shout out to Prep Insta's platform for its amazing coding problems. It's been a game changer for me, and I'm sure it will help you too. Check them out, we will be referring the same. At last, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit that bell icon for instant updates on our coding adventures. Until next time, happy coding.